Hello. Today we shall speak about the second letter of the Ukrainian alphabet. This letter is called B. So as you see, we have in Ukrainian alphabet we have endings E. In the English alphabet we have it like E. The corresponding letter in the English alphabet would be B. And here in Ukrainian alphabet we have not B but B. And some other letters will be rhymed to this one. So we shall have B, He, and so on. But we shall speak about these letters later. And coming back to letter B, it produces the sound B. So it's a bit softer than the English sound B. So we have B, B. Well, if you want to write this letter, you will have to combine lines as I have put it below 1, 2, 3 for the capital letter. And so you have two variants of writing it. It depends on the personal handwriting. And lines for the small letter B. Well, if we combine what we know from the previous lesson, we learned letter R. And if we combine it with B, we shall have two letters, R plus B. It makes AB. Pay attention that I have written the letter R a little bit differently, in a different way than in the previous lesson, but I think it's a familiar way of writing it down, so I think you will easily understand. So we have AB, and if we change letters, we shall have Ba. So when speaking about words which we can make using these two letters, R and B, so the only word we have is Baba. So what is Baba? Some of you may know that Baba has to do with a female person. So Baba, we have different meanings. Well, they are close, of course, but still there is some difference. The first meaning is an old woman. So Baba, when you see in the street an old woman, especially dressed like maybe how to say, not in a fashionable way. Well, old woman living in a village here in Ukraine, you can watch a video and have an idea how an ordinary old woman looks like in Ukraine, living in a village, for example. So you call her Baba, even if you don't know her name. She's just walking in the street, some Baba walking in the street. Then another meaning is grandmother, your own grandmother. You call Baba. It's the same as we have grandmother in English, or granny. Also, we may use this word, especially some rude men use it when speaking about women, and it's very unpleasant for women, of course, but say when speaking speaking among themselves, they gather, and well, they're not too polite, and they may call any representative of female half of the mankind Baba. So it's the same as more polite man would call a woman or a lady. When a child calls his or her granny, he may call her Ba, Ba, come here please, Ba. So this is one more word we may make using these two letters, B and A. Now time for reading. Let's have a little exercise. B, B, B. Ab, Ba. Ba, Ba. Ab, Ab. As you may notice, I don't make an accent if the last letter is consonant. Well, so I don't say ab, ab. It will be in English, but in Ukrainian I have much softer variant, ab, ab. Well, that's all for today. Enjoy learning Ukrainian. See you next time.